All right, species, we're getting back to work here, graphing a function. We've got our table. Let's do it. If we think about it, this is what we just got done doing in a previous chapter. All we're doing is taking an equation, substituting in values, getting coordinates or ordered pairs, plotting them, and then creating the graph. Remember, this is not a graph. Ooh. This over here is not a graph, it's a coordinate plane. What we put on it as the result of the equation is a graph. So let's work on this. We get input of x for the equation or function, in this case, negative 2x plus 1 will give us an output. Well, if I plug that negative 1 in wherever there is an x, then that means I have negative 2 times negative 1, which is a positive 2. Positive 2 plus 1 is 3. So what that means is I have an ordered pair, and I'm just going to fill in those x values because I'm given those. But when x was negative 1, y was a positive 3. Now, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to take negative 2 times 0. That gets me 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So that means when x was 0, y is 1. Then I'm going to move on. I'm going to take negative 2 times 1. Well, anything times 1 is just itself, so that's negative 2. Plus 1 is just negative 1. So when x is 1, then y is negative 1. And we go one more time. We got negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. Plus 1 is negative 3. So when x is 2, y is negative 3. I now have all of my coordinates. So at negative 1 and positive 3, I'm up here. Remember, to graph a coordinate, you move on the x-axis that many times. Hover, that's what comma means. Hover, then move up or down to reach the y. So here we now have 0 and 1 is our next coordinate pair, or ordered pair, sorry, coordinate pair. Ooh, I'm mixing terms. So now I have 1 and negative 1. It's all the way down here. Then I have 2, negative 3. It's all the way down here. So just to make sure, I make a line that goes through all three. And it basically does. I messed up a little bit right here. There we go, and extended through, and it works, so I cap it off. 1, 2 arrows, and now I have graphed the function y equals negative 2x plus 1 through a table, creating ordered pairs, plotting the ordered pairs, and drawing a line through them.